Dear viewers, now I am walking at village of Bangladesh. You can see village condition of Bangladesh. Dear viewers, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh, the bird and so beautiful sky and trees, wonderful. Please watch this video till the end. This is God. You can see this is God. So beautiful God. This is God tree. And this is tomato tree, tomato garden. So beautiful Bangladesh, wonderful landscape, and the field are so beautiful. Cultivation, farmer cultivate, agriculture, winter crop. You can see here. Beautiful Bangladesh, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. Now I am walking in the field of Bangladesh, agriculture field of Bangladesh, winter crop, winter vegetables garden of Bangladesh. Sky is blue. You will come to Bangladesh for traveling. Vegetable garden of Bangladesh, you can see here. Please like, comment and subscribe StepView blog YouTube channel for more videos of Bangladeshi village culture, village home, walking, ASMR sound. Bangladeshi field, vegetable field. So beautiful Bangladesh, beautiful Bangladesh, wonderful, wonderful Bangladesh. Here the sun sets west on the sky. Original walking sound you hear. Original walking sound you hear. This is Bangladesh, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh, wonderful field, vegetable field. Now I am walking and showing you Bangladeshi culture. Please this video watch till the end. Wonderful, wonderful house. No, সব কিছু শেষ হয়ে গেছে। Everything is vanished. You can see here. This is my motorcycle. Poor people motorcycle. So beautiful village of Bangladesh. You hear the road, teeny and small road of Bangladesh, village road, rural road. It's